Hello, everybody. Gonna give you a little construction update, and then we're gonna go inside. We're gonna give you a tour of the office today. So with construction, they are closing Cheyenne and/or Interstate, the portions of it, tonight from
underpass.
The underpass. Thank you. From 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So find an alternative route, and you should be good to go.
Yeah, you should be good for getting here.
Yes. Yep.
So, but other travels, just so you know, that's going to be closed this evening.
All right, let's start our tour.
Take you on a tour. We need to turn around. Here we go.
Ready? Whoop. Here is our office. Where are we going first?
Let's go over here.
Okay.
This is where Abby normally sits.
I stand here. Then Lindy is right over here most of the time, or if she's not in the back. Then this is our waiting area.
We got lots of cool stuff for kids.
We're missing a chair right now, so just ignore that part. So while you're waiting for one of the doctors, you just have a seat right over here. We also have a kids area back here. Slightly messy right now. We just had some kids in here, so
it's been played with this morning.
Wouldn't ignore that.
We see lots of kiddos though, so we gotta have lots of stuff for all the kids.
Yes, lots of coloring that happens around here.
We've always got something on the TV too. I don't know, what are we watching today?
It is Duck Duck Goose. It's a new Netflix movie if you're if you guys are interested.
There's our mission statement. All right,
we're gonna head back this way. This is our adjusting space. Dr. Tiffany has 3 tables out here, and then in this room in the corner, Dr. Markel has 2 tables. We just repainted everything, so go ahead and show them everything back there.
It's beautiful in here. If you're new to an open adjusting concept, it has many benefits. One, we see lots of families, so we're able to send families back together. Also allows for some experience to be able to see a pregnant mama for the first time gets to see a baby getting adjusted, and some of that community. We have lots of families who end up coming around the same times every week, and they get to share that experience together. Also, it creates a ton of flexibility. So if you have an appointment with us and something comes up and you're running behind or you're stuck in traffic, we almost always have the option to shift your appointment time back. Due to the flexibility that that creates for us.
Yoga space?
Yeah.
All right. Let's talk about the yoga board.
Yep. We're chatting about yoga here.
Are you shocked yet? All right. So these are our monthly classes. 2 Tuesdays, we're going to be in Elmwood Park for our parent-child yoga. So that'll be a super fun class. Get outdoors with the kiddos. Then that same week we have our restorative yoga class, 90 minutes of focusing on yourself, deep breathing and stretching. And then next Wednesday, the 15th, we have cat yoga back. So we have 2 classes, a 6 o'clock and our 7:15. There are openings in both still, correct?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's show you the yoga room.
We're going to walk through one of our consult rooms. We've got 2 rooms, this one and then right next door, where we do all our consults and exams for new patient appointments, re-exams, the nervous system scans, all that good stuff. Here's the yoga space. Ooh, we're gonna show up. There we are. Hi. So they got all their supplies here, bolsters and blankets, blocks, straps, tennis balls. Don't ask Michelle to use a tennis ball.
No, don't do it. You'll regret it.
Here's all our weights for the sculpt class. Whoop. Ran into the door.
We do have another exam room, but Dr. Tiffany is currently in that room, so you're going to let her do her thing in there.
We're making her work today. All right, sign-ins. We do automatic sign-ins.
So when you come in, you just type in your PIN number. It's going to tell you, if you give instructions on what else to do. If you fill out that screen your symptom screen for us, or then you head back, wait for one of the doctors, and then grab a table.
Yeah. So if you are new to chiropractic or new to our style of office, this is kind of a little tour on what we have to offer, what our space looks like. We do also have in the hallway here, we've always got some snacks and coffee and water, and everybody loves Abby's coffee.
Yep. Super good. I recommend you try it.
So those are not garbage bags. Just so you don't think we're messy. Well, those are garbage bags, but they're filled with toys. The toy drive. All the toys are getting picked up today. So
I think we should go show them the bags.
Thank you to everybody who has donated toys. Look at it. It looks like a mess, but it's not. This is all fantastic toys. So
there are 11 bags
everybody.
Full of toys.
Like, we've got Dr. Mark working back there too. Hi, Dr. Mark.
You're lucky I wasn't picking my nose back here.
Yeah, we catch her doing that all the time. All right. Any questions about our space or how you can get a hold of us? Just leave a comment below and we'll be in touch.
Yes.
All right, should we turn around so we can say bye?
Bye, guys.